In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude Code Subagents. Claude's Subagents feature lets you delegate specialized work inside a single conversation, so one agent can plan while another writes code. We'll set up a simple workflow where a project management prompt orchestrates the work, and a coder subagent turns the plan into clean, production-ready code. Start by opening Claude in your browser so you're in a fresh chat. A clean session helps the model focus on the task at hand without carrying over previous context. Next, click the plus sign on the left side of the interface to start a new conversation. This gives you a blank canvas where you can define roles and expectations clearly from the very first message. In the message box, type your high-level instruction. You are a project manager. Break tasks into steps and assign them to subagents. This tells Claude to think structurally, to outline a plan before doing any implementation. Clear role framing like this reduces ambiguity, improves traceability, and makes it easier to add or update subagents later. If your project has a particular goal, stack, or constraints, you can mention those in the same message so they're baked into the plan. Now, define the specialist that will implement the plan. Add a second instruction that introduces your coder role. Coder agent, write clean, production-ready code based on the plan. Naming the role makes it easier for Claude to keep responsibilities separate. The phrase production ready nudges it to consider structure, readability, error handling, and basic tests, not just quick prototypes. You can also include expectations such as preferred languages or style guides in that same line if you already know them. When your instructions look right, click Submit or press Enter. Claude will first respond as the project manager, breaking the work into concrete steps and mapping responsibilities. Then, within the same thread, the coder subagent will execute on the plan, producing code aligned with the breakdown. As the responses come in, pay attention to whether the plan covers edge cases and integration points. Strong plans lead to stronger code. That's all there is to it. Open Claude, start a new chat, set the project manager framing, define the coder agent, and submit. The power of subagents comes from crisp role definitions and a single source of truth in the initial prompt. Keep your goals explicit, your constraints visible, and your acceptance criteria clear, and you'll get faster, more reliable results from Claude's code subagents.